Welcome back, fellow entrepreneurs, to our channel dedicated to helping you master the art of online business. Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you, an in-depth guide to the world of affiliate marketing. So grab your notepads, get ready to take some serious action, and let's dive in. 1. The power of affiliate marketing. Have you ever dreamt of generating passive income while you sleep? Well, affiliate marketing is your golden ticket. In this segment, we'll explore the power of affiliate marketing and how it can transform your financial future. We'll share inspiring success stories, discuss the incredible earning potential, and uncover the secrets to getting started. 2. Finding the perfect niche. One of the keys to affiliate marketing success is finding the perfect niche. In this segment, we'll show you how to identify profitable niches that align with your passions and expertise. We'll reveal effective research techniques, explore niche selection tools, and provide practical tips for evaluating potential niches. Get ready to discover your profitable playground. 3. Building your online presence. To become a successful affiliate marketer, you need a strong online presence that attracts and engages your target audience. In this segment, we'll walk you through the essential steps of building a powerful online brand. From creating a stunning website to optimizing your social media profiles, we'll share valuable insights and strategies that will set you apart from the competition. 4. Mastering content creation. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. In this segment, we'll explore the art of creating captivating content that converts. We'll delve into various content formats, such as blog posts, videos, and social media posts, and provide tips on crafting compelling copy. Additionally, we'll reveal the secrets to SEO optimization and driving organic traffic to your affiliate offers. 5. Choosing the right affiliate programs. With countless affiliate programs available, it's crucial to choose wisely. In this segment, we'll guide you through the process of selecting the right affiliate programs for your niche. We'll discuss the different types of programs, commission structures, and offer recommendations for reputable affiliate networks. It's time to monetize your online presence and start earning those sweet commissions. 6. Maximizing your affiliate income. Once you've started earning affiliate commissions, it's time to level up your game and maximize your income potential. In this segment, we'll share advanced strategies for scaling your affiliate marketing business. We'll explore tactics like email marketing, sales funnels, and leveraging the power of influencers. Brace yourself for some serious growth. 7. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Like any entrepreneurial journey, affiliate marketing has its fair share of challenges. In this segment, we'll address common obstacles and provide tips for overcoming them. We'll also discuss the importance of mindset, staying motivated, and developing a long-term vision for your affiliate marketing success. And there you have it, fellow affiliate marketers, the ultimate guide to unleashing your passive income through affiliate marketing. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, continuous learning, and persistent action. So go out there, implement these strategies, and let your affiliate empire flourish. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss our future content. As always, keep hustling and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!